Okay guys, let's do a check-in because I did a bit of work here. Not done, but I want to show you where I am with it. I went ahead and detail cut out a bunch of those flowers. A bunch meaning 3, but I have 2 more that I still have to cut out. But look at how pretty they cut out. So pretty. All right, I did that. I had my circle cutter was big enough to cut out this gorgeous wood grain, and I decided to go with this as that top piece in our sketch because I want it to be really seen. And I just traced around a bowl I have for this piece. So now in the sketch it shows it like this, which, you know, we'll see. Do I need to offset it? Maybe, because I want the flowers to go like that. Now we do have that fishtail banner piece, and I'm going to be snipping it. I just went ahead and cut it from one of the backside of this floral paper I'm detail cutting, but they did have those 6x6 papers, and I thought they were super cool. So I'll just go ahead and notch it. We'll stretch it out. It'll make it look big. I cut this piece of vanilla cardstock to 11.5 by 11.5. Let me come in a little bit like that. And I will go ahead and mat it on this piece, you know, the one that I used right here that I cut out the plate. And I will be able to go ahead and do that. So it'll have a really nice, gorgeous matte. Love that. Okay, great. I have that. Now I haven't done anything more than trim my photos so far. I will be matting that with pieces, whatever pieces I will have that will work. I have that going. Let's see what else. Here's my cut pieces. And remember, I have lots and lots with this. Now I'm going to be, I told you, matting my photos still. And then I also have, let's see, pieces that I can cut from here if I want to. How rude, that turned right off when I was talking. So I'm gonna go ahead and scuff up all of my pieces as well to give myself some extra texture and dimension. I'll mat my photo as much as I can. We'll see how that goes. With the pieces I still have to detail cut out. And remember, I still have this whole sheet to play with, to layer and have fun. So I have to get my ever so fancy cheap craft foam out to help me with all of that, which I will do, and I will come back once I get these pieces adhered down, and then we'll do some decorating. Give me a minute. Okay guys, let's take a look-see at this. I still haven't cut this because I want to get my photo down before I decide exactly where that's gonna go. And I have these floral bits as well. I mean, oh, they're so pretty. Now I'm choosing not to scuff them up. I have lots of stuff scuffed up, so it's kind of fun when you have some like that, some not like that. And this has a flat edge on one side, so I thought what I would do is start one of these clusters right wherever that flat edge will make sense. But I'm not going to tack down every single side because I like when the bits stick up a little bit. Now let's see. I'm also going to have my top cluster, because I like a little bit of a diagonal, run off the page as well at some point. And then I will just trim off that edge. So we will make it as if it's on purpose. Yeah, let's not get too crazy thinking into it. So once again, I don't tack it down everywhere. I like the free flow kind of thing. And my photo, I think I'm gonna go here-ish with it. Now our title is supposed to be down here. We'll have plenty of room, or yeah, maybe there-ish, because you know, those are like super technical words. And since I'm not gonna see all of it, what I think I'm gonna do is come in and just chop it so that I get like maximum potential out of that cluster. Guys, this one's trying to ride shotgun. Okay, so I want to get maximum floral goodness out of it. Let me go ahead and get my T-square ruler because I cannot line up anything properly. There we go. Oh guys, did I carry on at tremendous length, because I'm very excited about it, that I'm now on the design team? I think I did. For the scrap room. It was a massive bucket list goal of mine since the dawn of time. So I am so jazzed and so lucky Okay, so you know what I could do? I like the shape of this flower right here, you know, where we chopped it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and tuck that underneath like so. And then I have this super red one. And I might hold on to that to pop it up. Actually, I know I will hold on to it to pop it up just a little bit. So we'll hold on to that. And now that we know where our photo is, I can go ahead and figure out where we might want the fishtail banner piece. I like the idea of it separating the two flowers. That would be cool. So if I'm doing that, I'm sorry, the two circles, not the two flowers. What am I thinking? So if I'm going to do that, I'm going to go ahead and mimic it down here as if it's a big old piece, which it's not, and that's fine. But right about the same place and have it stick out. So now it looks like we've got this big old fishtail banner piece, which you and I know it's not, but nobody else needs to know. Okay, so that is awesome. I have the whole base of the layout done. I have to trim this bit here. Let's make sure everything's down. Get a bunch of those scuffy bits off. Chop it there. My room is too warm today, guys. It's doing some kind of a greenhouse effect. It's not even warm like in my region right now, but it feels warm in here. Okay, so I have all of those bits down. Guys, I have used up so much of my paper. I am down to like just little bits. And what else do I have? I have that. Oh, I do have this, but I have used a ton of this, and I still have a full piece of the vanilla cardstock, but I'm like, yeesh, I'm having fun with this kit. All right, so now I really like this Besties mixtape. What I tend to do is I will grab out my stamping block and put the pieces on that I really, really know I want to use. So I like the idea of that getting in there. Oh, I'm supposed to do a little cluster right about here according to the sketch. So we can do that. And I also have these gorgeous sticker bits, which will give me another bit of, I don't know, like the stickers have a slightly different finish, like a slight shine. So it allows for that. I really like that. Okay, back to this. I like this fabulous word because it's really, really big. My girlfriend and I aren't like, you know, the girl squad. So I like this fabulous. And I like this word forever. So I'm thinking our title might be Fabulous Forever. And if I could do it in a way where I have one of these is down and one is up on some craft foam, that will be the kind of title I dig. All right, I'm going to do that. I'm going to keep adding pieces and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys. So I didn't even do a whole lot. I just had to figure out exactly where I wanted my title to go. So title's down. I've got Besties Mix, which is like through the years, which I think is awesome because, you know, this girl and I have been around together for decades. Not going to say how many, but we've got some. All right, so I have that, really like that, and I will be able to build, oh, wait a minute, hold on, because it's black on black, you might not be able to see it as much. How do I feel about it getting tucked in between these layers like this? I feel pretty darn strongly about it. That makes me happy. Okay, I have that there. So it's kind of tucked in and it's making me happy. We are coffee drinkers, so let's not go with that. Ooh, I like that you can count on me when you need a friend. That's kind of awesome. That's all one piece. That is cool. So I'm thinking I will have, because I need a little bit of differentiation with my colors here. So what if I do that? And I definitely want to get this popped up. I've got these little strippy craft foam things for the skinny bits. There we go. There we go. Do that. Okay, that is so cute. Okay, so that is a great top bit. Love that. Now what? Now what? remember the phones with the cords and you would stretch them forever to get any form of privacy? I don't know. Maybe you don't. Depends on your age. Okay, I like these little bits here. So these are cute. Let me see. I have a little Frankenstein piece of craft foam here. So yeah, this is all I'm going to do at this point. I'm going to layer up, have fun, keep placing my little bits down, and just making this so much cuter than it was a moment before. So I will come back and I will show you the finished layout, but this is pretty much it. But I'm just adding some of these gorgeous dimensional bits here and there. I also like when these pieces stick up, so I might add a little bit of craft foam underneath them, and I'll go for it, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am all finished up. I love the way that this came out. So I ended up tucking this great little sticker piece. It was a frame, and I just turned it on its side so it looks like it has some washi tape. I've got this You Can Count on Me When You Need a Friend, Besties Mixtape, Best Friends Forever. And I have all of these bits are just pretty much sticking up. I do want to go in, like I said, though. I've got these little Frankenstein pieces. And I think I will make sure that my pieces will be able to stick up. And it's just a great way to do it by just getting a little bit of dimensional adhesive underneath the pieces. And then you will get a nice little shadow. So that's what I have. I will have links down below for the ScrapRoom website, blog, and Facebook group. So I hope you like where I went with this. Let me grab this handy dandy little sketch cheat sheet that I have right here. And I can't wait to see what you do with this double shot kit. Goodbye for now.